Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Let's go over two ways to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Now, vanish mode allows you to remove and delete any messages as soon as they've been seen and messages are closed. However, if you want to turn that off so you get to keep around those messages, I'll show you two different options. The first one is, of course, let's open up Instagram and just tap on our messages at the top right. And I'm going to tap on data border here. And you can see at the very top, it says vanish mode is turned on. Now, one way and the easiest to turn it off is just to tap your finger and swipe up in the middle of the screen. And you can see you can keep swiping up to release it, and that will turn off vanish mode. Now, the other way that you can do it is just to tap on their name at the very top here, tap on privacy and safety, and you can see the very first option is vanish mode. So if that is turned on, all you have to do is toggle that off, and now vanish mode is disabled or turned off. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.